Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to unbox for you. It's the brand new Umarex HK 416A4 gbbr by KWA. Now let's dive right into it. As you can see, the packaging itself is pretty sleek, featuring the iconic HK branding. It's got that premium feel to it, which is always a good sign when unboxing an airsoft rifle. Alright, let's take a look inside. Here we go. We have a 40 round gas magazine. It's designed to hold both green gas and propane. It's quite heavy. It's made all of metal, adding the realism to it, but it's so heavy. And next up is the user manual, which is always handy for those who like to familiarize themselves with the product before getting started. It also including the BB loader. Okay, now it's the gun itself, Umarex HK 416A4. Wow, this thing looks absolutely stunning. The attention to detail is just incredible, just like the real deal. We pay a hefty price just for the license, the trademark, everything. The body is all full metal, even the muzzle brake. The first thing I noticed is the way it feels really solid in my hands. It's filled with trademark and licensing. It looks so good, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, wow. Look at that. It doesn't have any wobble at all. Very solid. I love it already. Now let's hear it. Wow, sounds so good. The magazine comes with the gun. Also has really nice marking on it. So let's compare it with the extra magazine. I bought the LM4 magazine to see what's the difference. The LM4 magazine is a bit shorter and it doesn't have marking on it. Let me put it in. I'm pretty sure it's locked, but it doesn't have the clicking sound. Now the original magazine, very easy to lock in, and the clicking sound is so good. Now let's move on to the chrono test. Okay, I used the 0.2 gram BBs and green gas. For 54, wow. 428, 421, 415, 395, 415, 403, 406. It's not very consistent. And the full auto, we have around 27 rounds per second. But it's the velocity is come down quite a bit more. This gun shoot semi is very hard compared to all the fuel around me. So if I want to play with this gun, I have to do something on it. Alright guys, that concludes my unboxing of the Umarex HK 416A4. I must say I'm really impressed with the quality and attention to the detail on this rifle. I'm also in love with the hard kick, the impulse of shooting a gas blowback rifle, and all the magazines lock back when they empty. So everything works just fine after around 500 rounds of test shooting. I can't wait to take it to the field and put it to the test after I figure out how to lower my velocity and doing some upgrades to improve the accuracy. Hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content. Thank you. See you again.